Hello, what's up mga Kwanders? In today's video, pupunta tayo sa Zurich, Switzerland. Yeah, basically, it's a 3-hour train from Milan to Zurich. And dito sa clip na to is na, by the way, nasa loob na tayo ng Switzerland. So, makikita niyo yung mga beautiful sceneries yan. So, yeah, and any moment is we'll be arriving in Zurich, which is one of the beautiful, I can say, city of Switzerland. City train from Milano Central, yung main station ng Milan, going to Zurich HB. Yun naman yung train station sa Zurich. So finally, we just arrived in Zurich, Switzerland. And yeah, andito na tayo sa Zurich, Switzerland. At ang weather ngayon dito is pretty cold. As you can see sa mga tao, no? Lahat yan, hindi na pwedeng hindi mag-jacket kasi malamig na talaga. So, naka-guantes pa nga ako dyan kasi malamig sa kamay. So, feeling ko magkaka-frostbite ako kung hindi ako mag-guantes. And since holiday season is just around the corner, kaya meron na silang mga Christmas lights or Christmas decor. So, mas maganda siya lalo pag sa gabi, like yan nakikita nyo ngayon. At syempre, it's Christmas season, so hindi natin pwedeng palampasin yung kanilang traditional na blue gin. Basically, tea na may halong gin. Traditional yan sa kanila during Christmas season. Alright, so magandang pasyalan tong Zurich, Switzerland, especially during holiday season like Christmas. Pero medyo may kamahalan lang yung mga bilihin dito. So you have to be ready. Kailangan i-plano yun ng maigi or else para hindi tayo masyadong mabigla pagdating sa Switzerland. So, but again, magandang pasyalan ng Switzerland during holiday season. So hanggang dito lang tayo mga commanders. So I hope nagustuhan nyo itong I say maikling video in Zurich, Switzerland. So I'll see you in my next video. Marami pa tayo. Meron pa akong isang ipopost na video sa province ng Switzerland naman. So next upload natin yun. So abangan nyo yun. So yun lang. Thank you and God bless. Peace.